people, it's good to be alive and it's good to be in cryptocurrency. And today I'll be reviewing New York City real estate ICO. It's called NYC REC. It is an ICO that focuses not just on any technology or any idea, but actually on real estate in the city of New York City in America. One of the most expensive places to own an apartment in the world is New York City, and the price keeps skyrocketing. It just keeps going high. So only the rich can actually own the space or own the property in New York. Now, NYC REC ICO is focusing on they want to raise money, and they will use that to buy properties. And they are going to buy distressed property. What I mean by this is property that are very, very cheap compared to an average price. They will be able to do that, and the money they get, interest they get maybe from renting it out, they will share it back to the token holder. In fact, you are a landlord in New York City, and it doesn't matter where you are, as long as you have the right to buy this ICO or even later buy the coin on exchange. You have investment. You are a landlord in New York City. That is nice. That is nice. And that is why you say finding, buying, and owning real estate in New York City is difficult. We just made it a lot easier. Pre-sale is live now, so you can join that. And you can see the reason why they want to do that. And one thing is this, the airdrop you receive is in Ethereum. They are giving you an Ethereum airdrop based on that. These are the founding team: Young Kwon, chairman of the board, Charles Wyman, Alan Obarutman, and all the rest. And all these team members have experience in the real estate and the cryptocurrency world. Your board of directors. You can see the roadmap here. See the roadmap here. See the token allocation. Total is 1,750,000,000. So 1.75 billion token. So the goal is to raise 100 million US dollars. And this is the address. Now, the ICO white paper is well put together and it's beautiful. This is beautiful. So 31 page, and I encourage you to go through the white paper. As I've even said, the white paper enables you to know more about the project. It tells you more about the team member. It helps you know the team member behind this project. Do they know what they are doing? Is it a real ICO? Is it a scam on stuff like that? So reading a white paper is very important. And the white paper they have made, they've taken time to make. It's not for decoration. It's for you guys to be able to have an in-depth knowledge of what their project is all about. So I encourage you to go to the white paper and you will see more about this ICO. There is who is registered 2018 and expired 2019 next year. So let's be a landlord in New York City. Let's get involved in this ICO and we'll be able to get airdrops from them. But please do not forget, everything I've said in this video is strictly my personal opinion. Do not take it as a financial advice. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for watching my review. I'm going to drop the link of this ICO just down below the description box. Just click on it and sign up for the ICO. Please, before you go, subscribe. Show me some love. Subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and also hit the notification bell so that when I bring new videos to you, you will be among the first to see my video. I love you guys. I love you a million times. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.